Hey guys, thought I'd come to you today and just give you a little update. I had a crew out on a job site today, and well, they hit a gas line. Yeah, it didn't go boom or anything like that, thank God, but they hit a gas line. So I learned a lesson, and I'm going to share it with you. And I'm sure you already know it. Call for a locate before you dig. Yeah, fortunately he didn't go boom, but I mean, it was in an area, it was unlikely that the gas line would have even been there. But lo and behold, the day I don't call for locate, somebody hits a line, So I guess no matter how small the job is, no matter how busy you get, and that was my fault. I'm taking accountability for it. I apologized to the customer, I said, hey, I'm sorry, I just I got ahead of myself, okay? And that's what happened. So I didn't call for a locate, they didn't come and mark things down on the ground to find out where those gas lines are at, and so anyway, my fault. I take accountability for it. I apologize to the customer, which, she don't want me back out there, so, but it's all good. It's not like I don't have enough work to begin with anyway, but regardless, hey guys, don't do that, call for a locate, no matter how small the job is, and that's one thing I learned today. No matter how small the job is, call for a locate. No matter how busy I get, I need to call for a locate. So anyway, and there's something else I wanted to say. This is to my wife. If you're watching, and you will be. These signs on the doors here. She says that I'm giving credit to everybody else. Like all these other fence companies up here. But I'll tell you, to me, those are trophies. It's because those guys at those fence companies didn't want to go out and repair the work, and so I took the fence signs off because, well, I'm hauling away the stuff anyway, and it gives us a nice thing up here, all these little signs up here, and I like these other signs up here on the wall up there. My goodness. I found a big old signpost in my yard, one day, and it had all those signs on there. So I had the guys take them off, and we hung them up. What's the city gonna do with them? I mean, I don't know. Who put it in my freaking yard to begin with? Somebody obviously knows that I like signs. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so there we go. Signs. Gas line. Yeah. Don't ever dig without calling for a locate. That's one thing I learned today. I mean, and I can't say don't ever do that. I don't want to say that because, but I'm going to start doing that on all my small installs, and stuff like that, because, the repairs, my goodness, the fence is already there. What's a gas line doing underneath the fence post anyway? I don't know, but that's happened before too. Anyway, yeah. You guys, if you're out there, starting a little fence company like Fix a Fence here, and and you run across this stuff, my goodness, man, yeah. 811. I don't know what it is where you're at, but here in Oregon, it's 811. Or, well, I have an account, and so I do this quite often. Like I said, I just think I think I got a little ahead of myself. I'm getting so busy. My goodness, I'm 17 to 19 weeks out with work. I have 4 employees, 2 trucks on the road. I'm like, is there any much hair left in here? Yeah, anyway, so yeah, I just thought I'd shoot you a little video today about calling for locates, and then of course the signs here. My trophies. Yes, the dead soldiers, the trophies. Anyway, hey, John at Fix a Fence, mended broken fences. In this case today, breaking gas lines, I guess. Have a great day.